Class 10th Biology MCQs of Chapter number 15 Our Environment. 1. The depletion of the ozone layer causes option A acid rain, option B global warming, option C earthquakes, and option D increased UV rays. And the correct option is option D, increased UV rays. 2. In food chain, the third trophic level is always occupied by option A herbivore, option B producer, option C carnivore, and option D decomposer. And the correct option is option C carnivore. 3. Which of the following chemicals causes depletion of the ozone layer? Option A carbon tetrachloride, option B chlorofluorocarbon, option C methane, and option D carbon monoxide. And the correct option is option B chlorofluorocarbon. 4. Which one of the following pairs belong to the category of primary consumers? Option A snake and frog, option B grasshopper and cattle, option C eagle and snake, and option D water beetles and fish. And the correct option is option B grasshoppers and cattle. 5. Which of the following is an abiotic component of an ecosystem? Option A bacteria, option B fungi, option C humus, and option D plants. And the correct option is option C humus. 6. Which of the following is biodegradable? Option A aluminium can, option B polythene bag, option C DDT, and option D cow dung. And the correct option is option D cow dung. 7. Acid rain is caused by the oxides of option A nitrogen only, option B sulfur only, option C carbon, and option D sulfur and nitrogen. And the correct option is option D sulfur and nitrogen. 8. Which one of the following is an artificial ecosystem? Option A forest, option B pond, option C lake, and option D crop field. And the correct option is option D crop field. 9. Excessive exposure to UV radiation causes option A cancer of skin, option B damage to lungs, option C inflammation to liver, and option D jaundice. And the correct option is option A cancer of skin. 10. The amount of energy that flows from one trophic level to another in a food chain is option A 15%, option B 10%, option C 20%, and option D 5%. And the correct option is option B 10%. 11. The primary consumers are option A herbivores, option B carnivores, option C producers, and option D omnivores. The correct option is option A herbivores. 12. The driving force of any ecosystem is option A solar energy, option B biomass, option C carbohydrates, and option D ATP. And the correct option is option A solar energy. 13. Kitchen wastes can be hygienically disposed of through option A incineration, option B dumping, option C composting, and option D recycling. And the correct option is option C, composting. 14. Environment includes option A, land, air, water, option B, plants, animals, microbes, option C, light, temperature, rainfall, and option D, all of these. And the correct option is option D, all of these. 15. Which of the following is a linear arrangement of organisms? Option A, food web, option B, food chain, option C, community, and option D, trophic level. And the correct option is option B, food chain. 16. What is the order of the waste management hierarchy from most to least favored? Option A, prevention, recycle, reuse, disposal, option B, prevention, reuse, disposal, recycle, and option C, prevention, reuse, recycle, disposal. And the correct option is option C, prevention, reuse, recycle, disposal. 17. Problem of solid waste disposal can be reduced through option A, lesser pollution, option B, recycling, option C, more timber, and option D, population control. And the correct option is option B, recycling. 18. The cleaners of nature are option A, consumers, option B, producers, option C, decomposers, and option D, herbivores. And the correct option is option C, decomposers. 19. Ozone hole may cause option A, global warming, option B, skin cancer, option C, mutation, and option D, all of these. And the correct option is option D, all of these. 20. Which of the following could be incinerated? Option A, medicine bottles, option B, paper, option C, needle of the syringe, option D, all of the above. And the correct option is option C, needles of the syringe. For more videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.